This problem requires us to change from polar form to rectangular form. We recall that to change polar form to rectangular form, we will use these conversion formulas. X is equal to r cosine theta and y is equal to r sine theta. Now, unfortunately, our equation is in terms of secant and tangent. So what we will need to do is rewrite them in terms of sine and cosine. So secant is equal to 1 over cosine. And tangent is sine theta over cosine theta. And that is equal to r. To be able to use these formulas, r must be multiplied by cosine and r must be multiplied by sine. So what we can do is cross multiply. So we get r times cosine squared theta is equal to sine theta. Now, we must have r cosine theta. So in this case, I can multiply both sides by r because r is considered a positive value, okay, or a real number. So this becomes r cosine theta times r cosine theta. I split cosine theta into cosine squared into cosine cosine, and I split r into r and r is equal to r sine theta. So now we can replace r cosine theta by x and r sine theta by y. And so the corresponding rectangular equation is y is equal to x squared. And the graph of this is a parabola. There you go. I want to reiterate the importance of not just sketching the graph. You may notice that I could have just sketched this roughly, but in reality, I am showing that my at x equals 1, y is equal to 1, at x equals negative 1, y is equal to 1, at x equals 2, y is 4, at x equals negative 2, y is 4. So I did not just graph this randomly. I saw to it that it matches the points in the parabola.